This is, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to accumulate some free crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now, let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, right now, crypto is not looking good. We seem to be going deeper and deeper into this bear market. But in my opinion, that presents an amazing opportunity to accumulate some free crypto. So this is how I accumulate free crypto, and that is with the BlockFi credit card. I absolutely love this credit card. As you can see, it is falling apart from all the times that I have been using this card. But with the BlockFi credit card, you are able to earn free crypto on every single purchase. Best of all, this credit card has no annual fee, does not have any foreign transaction fees or any hidden fees whatsoever. It is pretty much a free credit card that allows you to earn free crypto. Also, with this credit card, you can earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, Uniswap, and a ton of other coins. It is pretty much like any other credit card. That is why I have been using this credit card for over a year now, and I absolutely love it. This is the only way that you can accumulate free crypto without actually investing any of your money, and it is super passive. The reason why I love this credit card is because on every single purchase, I am earning 1.5% cash back. But instead of receiving cash, I am receiving free crypto. Also, when you first sign up for this credit card, the first 3 months, you'll be receiving 3.5% cash back in your favorite crypto. So you have like 3 months to accumulate as much as you possibly can. Also, one other thing that I would like to mention, as we get deeper into this bear market and Bitcoin goes lower, Ethereum, Chainlink, as these coins go lower, with this credit card, you'll be able to accumulate even more of them. So the lower the market goes, the better, because you'll be able to accumulate even more free crypto. And I plan on using this credit card for the entire bear market. And I plan on stacking as much free Bitcoin as I possibly can. So as you guys know, you can pick whatever coin you want to accumulate. Personally, I'm accumulating Bitcoin as of right now. I already have a ton of Chainlink, a ton of Ethereum, a ton of Uniswap, but I do not have as much Bitcoin as I would like to. So I'm using this credit card to accumulate some free Bitcoin. So all I did was create a BlockFi account. You can create one using the link in the description box below. Once I created my BlockFi account, I signed up for the BlockFi credit card, and then I picked what free crypto I wanted to accumulate. So the way it works is very simple. At the end of every month, when you pay off your credit card, you will earn free crypto. And that crypto goes directly into your BlockFi account. Once it's in your BlockFi account, you can do whatever you want with that crypto. You can send it to an exchange and sell it. You can trade it. You can do whatever you want. It is your free crypto. So personally, I'm just keeping it on BlockFi and I'm accumulating more. So it is super passive and hands off. Also, the more you spend, the more free crypto you are going to earn. But please do not go out there and get this credit card and then spend it on random stuff that you do not need just so you can earn some free crypto. Use this credit card like you would use any other credit card. Only spend it on things that you need. For example, groceries, food, paying your electric bill, your car insurance, on stuff that you actually spend your money on. This credit card has replaced a lot of my other credit cards. Now, instead of earning free points and earning cash, I am earning crypto. I think this is a better long-term strategy, especially as the dollar continues to lose value. Earning free crypto instead of points, in my opinion, is way more worth it, especially in the long term. Obviously, some other credit cards may offer better rewards, better sign-up bonuses, and you can take advantage of those and then use that money to buy crypto. But in my opinion, that creates a lot more extra steps. This way is super hands-off and is super easy. So guys, if you are interested in signing up for the BlockFi credit card, I would appreciate it if you use the links in the description box below. Keep in mind, you are going to need to sign up for a BlockFi account first. This is where you will set up everything and you will choose what free crypto you want to receive with this credit card. And then you can apply for the credit card and you can start earning free crypto. Both of the links will be in the description box below. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Do what is best for your portfolio. In my opinion, this is a great strategy that I had to share with you guys. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.